Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, we are going to be creating these oak leaf dishes. So I made 3 different ones with 3 different techniques, different materials, different colors, different everything. And I made all these little charms as well, just because I wanted to make this like a super oak leaf theme thing. I'll be using these to make magnets and keychains and necklaces. And subscribe if you like what you see, because there is a lot more to come. Oh, let me just get this out of the way. DIY filter. Okay, so today we get to unmold the 3rd oak leaf that I poured today. Before we do that, let's just pop this little guy out. First time using the silver ink. I love it with blue. Silver and blue, classic, can never go wrong. I poured so many of these just because it was such a tiny little piece, and like, why not experiment since I have all this new material? And then all I'm gonna have to do is do a little bit of a top coat and add a bottom to this. Happy New Year's, by the way. That's happening tonight. Very exciting holiday. Okay, this one's really cute. This is like classically me, just like a little bit of everything that I have, which composed it really nicely. This is probably my favorite one of the 3. By the way, the reason I got these, I went to the craft store recently and it was on clearance for like 40 cents a sheet. So I was like, this is exactly the material that I need to let things set on, just so they have a smooth bottom without any weird textures going on. Anyways, let's get to it. So in these guys, I used a lot of preserved plants, a lot of gold leaf, and a lot of metallic inks, just because that's what I'm experimenting with right now. And since I already had the silicone mold that I think I got at Michael's, I decided to make just a bunch of little oak leaves as well throughout the process, just to use all that excess resin to experiment a little bit in some stuff. So see what works, see what doesn't, and then replicate it in bigger format. So as you can see, I used a lot of pine in these ones, just whatever I have right now. In this one, I think it turned out really cute. It was like minimal work too, which is nice. It's just one red leaf, and I mixed that with gold, and red and gold so nice together. So that's the first one I made. I was just trying out a little bit of inks in the background. So this little dish is definitely going to be like a permanent item in my shop, because I think it's so cute and so fun to do. And it just like, I like how small it is because it gives me a lot of freedom to experiment. Also, it has these like nice details of like veins, like leaf veins in here, and I think that's really adorable. So I'm stoked for my next video because I just recently came across a bunch of flowers from a local flower shop. So I'm gonna be drying those up and getting those ready for a new project. I just put them in silica gel yesterday, so I really hope they turn out really nicely. So we'll check back in a few days, and then I get to really brighten things up with some fun summer colors once again. Not only stuck with evergreen things. I wish I had like some natural lighting in here, because these look so fantastic in the sunshine, and it's like the first sunny day that we've had in quite a while. So I'll show you like the close-up shot. They just sparkle so nicely in the sun. So the last step with these guys is going to be sanding the backs, but I think I'll save that work for tomorrow. So I hope you had a happy holiday. Okay, bye.